Oh, Jesus!
I'm going to catch that pan camera. Yes, yes. No, man. I know that pan tomorrow to come and jump. Yeah, come here, come.
Hi, welcome back. Have you watched part 1 as yet? If you haven't, you need to stop right here. Go and find Pineapples in Pisgah part 1. As we promised, we are back with part 2. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single moment of it. But before we get there, we have some other things to talk about. It all started with Samuel Brissett. He was born in the late 1800s in Westmoreland and eventually moved to Pisgah, where he bought a piece of land to set up a pineapple farm. When he started the farm, he was teased, ridiculed, mocked, told that the farm would not amount to anything much. But over 100 years later, we are standing on this property as a testament to the fact that his dreams are indeed a reality. In 2010, his granddaughters, Carleen and Beverly Brissett, set up the Samuel Brissett Foundation. This foundation is geared towards providing scholarships for GSAT students at this Pisgah Primary School, through which many Brissetts have passed. But you didn't come to hear me talk all day, I'm sure of that. Let's get on with the tour!
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to the Brissett Pineapple Farm Tour. Today we're so excited to have you back here with us. I mean, first time the rain kind of stopped us from giving you part 2. So welcome back for part 2 of your visit, and your tour guide Tomalo is here with us to get things started out. And this is Cully, he's our friend. He's gonna, actually his family, and he's gonna be doing a little climbing for us also.
What? Yeah, action man. Any action with the on it, you know? Yeah.
So we're gonna head on down.
Yeah. Yes, it's very nice for us to be here, you know?
Nice.
Yeah, just like.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Yeah. Whatever time you're ready, man.
Which way are we going?
Yeah. Oi?
The machine.
I'm a shaky.
This way we went?
How are you there?
That way we went.
I'm in the video, I'm in the video.
Yeah.
She's also a farmer.
Yes.
She does pineapple also.
Yeah.
That's Peggy.
Okay. Yeah.
Peggy, she's a farmer also.
Hi, Peggy.
Peggy's
Going all the way up
She's
those
going
hills.
all the way over there to do
Yeah,
her farming.
yes. Oh. Okay.
All right, let's go,
All right,
guys.
Peggy. So I started this spring where we've been drinking water for the last 100 years there, generation after generation, and the water is very, I think everybody come there to drink that water. They said the water is like some, if you're even hungry, it full your belly. You're gonna get to experience that. And along with that, you're gonna see some of the fruit tree that was here before all the current generation who is alive now. They born come see those things like the star apple and the jackfruit.
Jackfruit
Yeah.
tree.
Pineapple.
What's pineapple up for?
Yeah.
Even yum. Yeah, good food.
Yum.
We have those things that old style inherited. Living until now.
Okay.
Come on, Carly, come on.
I remember the soapbox tree that we showed you the last time. This is the soapbox that we had showed you the last time. Where you rub it together in your hands in here to make the soap. This is the same tree. So we walk through pine field.
So Barry's been here in this jackfruit from ever since he been planting pineapple here.
It's a lot.
It's a lot, and it's, you know, this is just one of the many jackfruit that we have around here. But I love this one because this one bear from the ground go up, and it's very amazing because it's over 100 years and still bearing a lot of jackfruit.
100 years. Bear a lot?
Yes, man. Yes,
It's
man.
gonna feel for the jackfruit there. So this one is ripe.
Yes, man. Well, nice.
You guys eat jackfruit, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so
How
you
do
have
you
a
know
lot
when
of
it's
jackfruit
ripe?
today.
Well, when it's ripe, well, we have different types, you know. We have like the green skin. When the green skin ripe, you're hard to know when it's ripe. We as farmer, we kind of tend to know it more because
This one
it
ripe.
start
Smell
to
it.
change from green to this like brown color here.
Yeah.
Yes, so we know it's ripe.
The temperature of it is smelling.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
When it
Smells
Strong.
sweet or what?
Yeah, man, it's very sweet, you know.
Pines are bearing.
I've never seen a jackfruit tree
You
this
really want your catch Kali up in the tree.
Yeah.
You catching him, Marina?
Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Yes?
Don't claim it, you know.
You know you're out climber.
Don't claim it,
Yeah. But Kali, if you don't find any more ripe one on this, you know, remember we're gonna climb the star picture and we still have a lot more.
Yeah, so
You
these
know,
two are
in the top of the young, so I'm supposed to have
Yes, man. So we can just check the rest, you know. Yes. So,
So,
Dylan,
this is Dylan
Yeah.
coming to join the
you
group.
can catch this one.
Oh, we got
Next
that.
one, you know.
Oh, we got that. So you're on TV now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's my daughter.
Maria, what if you want me to catch that one? Oh, sorry, Maria. Yeah.
When it drop like that tomorrow, that's not good, right?
No, man, when you drop like that, even
No, it's
better for it
alright.
because most persons say if you want to take out the stain out of it, you lick it, you beat it like that.
And it's still
Yeah.
going on hard.
And the stain going at the heart. But we have various ways that we can get rid of the stain, you know. When we cut it,
What, oh,
yeah.
Two on your enough, one more enough, man.
Yeah, it's when we cut it, we can use banana leaf and wipe off the stain, and it banana leaf take off the stain like yes, yeah.
That's why I don't mess with it.
Yeah, man. But
Scandal back too.
Oh, we didn't get that one on camera.
oh, Dylan, you lose marks.
Yeah.
All right, Kali, come down safe now and come.
Okay. So we're gonna go down.
Man.
Yes, we're gonna roast the seeds.
Can't cook, you know.
We're going back this way.
Okay.
Everything in our
We
head.
have a lot of rain yesterday, so just watch your
Sure
step.
enough, space in the vehicle.
This is a tangerine tree that we have here
From
for many years.
before I was born.
Yeah, before we were born. Yeah, and it's bear a lot of tangerine in season. And you know, one of our guests come here and teach us something. You know, like when it blossoming like this, Maria, you come here and smell it like that. And I didn't smell it before, and I can't believe it have that fragrance. You know, you
It
smell
has a fragrance.
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Very nice. You know, that's why I wonder how the bees love it like that. Yeah. But anyway, that's our meanest fruit that we have in Jamaica. That's the star apple tree. And that star apple tree is probably the tallest star apple tree you've ever seen.
Whoa.
Yeah.
The star apple tree has been here for years.
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 How long?
Yes.
I mean,
Well, all of the fruit trees here, you know, it's over 100 years, you know.
yes.
Yeah, all of them. Even that jackfruit tree, all of us here born come see it, you know. Yes. Even Maria's father and my father, yeah.
So what Carly are doing?
Carly's going to get some for we, you know. He's going up in the last stop there.
Which last stop? Up the
Yeah, we up the top. You know, if you don't get it, you know, it will stay on the tree and perish. So that's why they say it's the meanest fruit. So we have to climb it to get it.
What did they say?
They said if it
Meanest fruit?
yes, because you know when breadfruit ripe it drop, you know.
Yeah.
When time mango ripe it drop. Even the jackfruit. But this one not dropping. You have to climb for it.
stay up there
Yeah, prefer stay up there and rock.
Be careful, Collie. You're not that young, you know. You're what? You're about 50 something?
60.
60.
Wow, you're climbing up, Cali, man. I didn't know that you reached 60 already.
That's a 60-year-old man in the tree?
Yeah. Because the food and the water that we use around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a product of the soil.
Alright, tell me when you're ready now, Cali, to catch. Yeah, man.
Wow. This is huge, though.
Yes.
This is huge. What's that?
That's Ken.
Hey, Ken.
Ken?
Yeah. He's working down there.
Which Ken? Ken.
You're
Reed.
Ken.
You ready?
You're student
Hold on,
Ken.
hold on. We're gonna catch some for you now.
Alright, let us put you on display here.
Hold on, Cali.
Remember, you cannot drop any catching them.
No, man, because you have to get there. Yeah, man, you see you. Yeah, man, ready?
Put it at the great man, just
No, man, can't just get to
You want any to eat?
No, not.
Yeah, one sun, so that's why I have my hand over my forehead like this to guard the sun out of my eye. Alright, ready again?
So, tell us what you're doing.
Oh, we're catching star apple from
Oh,
a boat.
okay.
Probably how much feet up? Maybe 300 feet down.
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah. Put on the back there.
Oh, that one, the outer bunk.
That's why this is here.
Yeah. What's that?
Yeah, you look on the next limb and bunks out.
Oh, so it changes trajectory.
Well, and I forgot the star apple. You know, the
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah. Nah, catch me not eat, you know.
You
just eat. Whoa.
here. You can't eat this one.
No, man.
Yeah, you good? Should break. I didn't want to put it in our bag.
Yeah, man, sure.
Hey, cricketer.
Bowl and cod.
That one then at the pan camera.
We can't edit that.
On the birds, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. They're just
Imagine
eating
something
them.
that beer over 100 years and I know in a prime to beer, you know? all I more start beer.
You see, Dilly?
Yeah.
Right?
Real expression, nice.
Oh, yeah, eat. Oh, you don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
I was just going to tell you, if anything is like this, you put it on the road.
Yeah, man. Come find us.
Yeah.
That's why we don't park people underneath breadfruit tree. So you watch your step going down, yeah?
Alright.
Ken?
So what you do with Ken?
What you doing over there, Ken?
Speaking Spanish?
Him and his son. The son never leaves him.
Yeah, his son never leave him. I always tell him to careful with his son, you know, but his son. How old his son be Ken? Oh man, he can't let him man work it, Kali.
Watch your step.
Take time, come down, Kali.
This is our avocado. Just do like this, Ariana.
Side to side.
Side to side. Oh, Jesus!
Look at that pan camera.
No, man. I know that Auntie Maria take over the job. Come, Maria, come. No, man, the pants, overnight.
No, not put that one on camera. No, sir. You know, sir, me can't get up all now.
Yeah.
No, sir, don't worry yourself.
Foot alright? Sure.
You good?
You're good, Ariana?
Take up your
Jesus.
foot. Take up your foot.
You sure it's there, foot alright? Okay.
No, sir.
Where's the camera?
Bevianas.
Oh, okay.
No, sir.
Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Dylan.
Yeah?
You finally reach at the spring now. So, although it was a little rocky to come here, but this is, yeah, this is our spring that we've been drinking also over 100 years as well. And we don't carry any cups when we come here. We already have some ready mixed cups. So we're gonna get some leaves. So Dylan, no, go over there, Dylan, and get the cleaner leaves. Yeah, but fresh and nice.
We've been drinking it for, I think, say, you know, our foreparents, grandfather, great-grandfather.
This is the cup. This is our cup. So we can afford to have a cup daily or every second. So we do it like this to make the cup. We fold it first. You have to catch it like this, and then you break the head like this, and then it's make a natural cup. And then now we're going for the water. So this is the water now that everyone in our community
It's
drinks.
purify the body as well.
Yes.
That's a natural spring water.
Yeah, we have a lot of spring like this around here, but I would recommend this one as the best, because when you're talking about spring, some persons say they have spring, but like you have stone around it, so it have a hole between it. So if the water contaminate up the top, it would flow come down because it have hole. But this spring is very different because it's coming through the dirt, and the dirt is so tight, the water just trickle down through the dirt, and then now the dirt itself filter the water 24 hours. So this one is top recommendation.
So the
And
filtration here
I'll
is
be-
very
Yes.
good.
I'll be the tester of the spring.
Yes. No, this one have a hole in it. You see, anyone you see have a hole in it, that means it's
Fresh.
gonna leave.
Wow.
So get me another leaf. So when person come here, they said even if they're hungry and drink this water, them belly full.
It's very fresh.
What amazing about it, it always tastes like it just come off the fridge. Even though it's no
cool and
refrigeration.
nice.
Always cool.
It's cool.
Yeah, because
Has this ever been dried?
never been dry.
Never dry.
Yeah, from ever since they dried it here, always here, crystal clear.
Fresh.
Tastes fresh.
Yeah, it tastes
very
like
fresh.
it's coming from the fridge.
Yeah.
Even though it's no fridge. And they run a research here years ago up a place they call Mary Hill, and they were wondering how the guys up there, like the baby was so big and strong. But when they run the research, they realized they were drinking the spring water. So the spring water that they're drinking up there make them big and strong and healthy. And we have some in Maybole, in Ginger Hill. But I recommend this one as the best because it just trickling through the dirt and the dirt filter it. You know, so whenever it's dry season like now, everybody come here for drinking water. Yeah, so nice. Never dry at all. Yes. And right ahead here now, this now, we born come see these. These are cocos. So this is what they use to make chocolate.
None not on
yeah.
the tree.
Yes, and they use it to make cocoa tea as well.
Oh, they dried up.
Yeah, they all dried up, but you can see the blossom now. We're gonna have a lot of cocoa.
Oh my God. When the cocoa going ready.
It doesn't have any season here, you know. When after it blossom and bear out, it start again. So we always have, and we have a few around the place as well. So if we probably can go a little closer.
Yes.
These banana trees right here, Maria, they're very amazing. They're so big they are. They've been here for the last 100 years too. And if you notice, you can come around and notice how they look very nice and strong. Yeah, we're going that way, Mr. Jackson. Left or right? Back this way, but is that yeah.
Come all the way this way.
No, that's the river.
The river.
Yeah, that's one is coming up top.
Oh, that's the river.
So you see, you know YS Falls.
Yeah.
The head of YS Falls is right here. So yes, so it starts from here and run down all the way to Jones River and go down to YS Falls. Yeah. But we don't drink this one, you know, because this one is coming from way up top. That one now, we recommend that one from here. So that's the, and we have a lot of crayfish in it as well, you know. Yeah. But go all the way down to Maria Father's Spine, you know, but we just started to clean it up now. Nice fresh water, you know. So
I'm thinking, yeah, I should.
Yeah, you should. Come.
It's a makeshift bridge.
this is a makeshift bridge, so we wouldn't charge visitor to go on that bridge because just the farmers from in the hills here can manage that, and they would go and use the head and bring the pineapple on them head and still walk on this bridge with probably 120 pineapples on them head. But this is not for visitors.
120 on their head.
And 130. Yeah, pineapple.
Oh.
Yes. So that pineapple that you see over there, pineapple field right there, it's the oldest pineapple farm we have here, because it didn't take down from it was planted, and it over 100 years. You know, so it's very amazing. It's owned by my brother Richie. He's control that section and still bearing pineapple and still bearing big and nice. And elsewhere in the world, they have to rotate pine every 5 years. And this pineapple field didn't rotate from the last 100 years and still bearing. And you see all these banana trees around here now, we're here from the last 100 years without anything to them, you know, we take care of them. And what really amazing, these banana here, we on a monthly basis, we would take them to the Catholic, and they make banana breads from it and give to the homeless downtown and the elders. And in return they give us masks and so forth that we can use, and you know.
So this is another aspect of the Brisset pineapple farm.
Yes,
right?
along with banana fields.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Are we still in Ginger Hill?
Ginger Grove.
Ginger Grove.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. We Nikki met them in Kingston. They are the YF. And what they do, they come here in the country for free volunteer service. Yes, and when I hear about that, Nikki was saying they want to pay to come here. And when I realized they come in the country for free volunteer, I tell Nikki that we're not going to charge them. So what we do in the pineapple season, when we have a lot of pineapple, we would bring them here and give them pineapple and give them the experience. So that's another lovely thing.
The Brisset family
yes.
have been doing.
I've never seen a banana plant this.
So yes.
And last so long.
Yes, yes.
We have another tour.
Yes, we have another tour that you can see.
How he plants a pineapple.
Yes, and we have another amazing banana there that my uncle plant. They call that one the red banana.
Are we going there now?
Yes, we go going there. So that banana now, when I catch there, I'm gonna tell you about that banana. Yes, but here we have quite a few number of different bananas as well. So we have like the bumpy banana around here, and we have like they have one they call the bullfrog banana, but they call it the right name is Antigua banana. And that banana is very good because it even can process to make oats. You know, so and you know the bumpy banana that we have here is like one of the sweetest banana we have here too, you know. Yes, so here is the banana field, but we have another interesting banana that I want to show you. So you can
Let's go.
you can go up the top.
Lead the way, bro.
The spring water was fresh. You didn't have any, Beth.
I did. It was good.
refreshing, right?
It was.
It was refreshing.
Hey man, what's up? So this is where you fetch your water.
Yes, sir.
Wow, you look strong though.
Better than the one out of store there, you know?
So this banana here is very interesting. Take it over.
Yeah, that now.
This banana here is very interested, right? This is my uncle Phil, Uncle Popsy, and he have this banana here for a very long time.
Let me show them the banana.
Yes, so other bananas would take 3 months to ready, while this one now would take 13 months to ready from shooting stage. So and this banana is very medical as well, because you see like this part here now. Yeah. Yeah. So like other day I get a nail joke when I was working up by the top there, and this was my first aid remedy for, you know, I come and I squeeze the juice out in the cut, so I can able to work for the rest of the day. And it prevent me from get lockjaw and all of those stuff. And what interested about this banana as well, when Selassie came here for the first time, it's the only banana he requests to eat out of all the variety that we have here. You know? So it's a very good banana to have, you know? Yeah.
Yes, very much. This our I know what I just the other day this coming here. We used to have some down here. You meet them big so. And this now, you see this? Over there so we come from. And we used to have them down here so we can't talk about everything. Yeah man, for I remember say we are 74 years old now, yeah? And we born consider me. And the house used to down there so. And we used to there boat all over here. And
So the cashew meat good for?
it good with sugar. When you're diabetic. This, if you juice this when you're diabetic, this cut down the sugar. Cut down the sugar hit. Me diabetic, you know, so me eat this, you know. And sometimes when you eat it, it come in like you drink some water. You know, the juice when I eat. And we roast this, you know. We also have one zinc. And we put it on the zinc and roast it. And it tastes, it good for your sex organ. The nut of it. Very good. Very good. We roast it and we break it and come out. Yeah, man, and you see the nata now? The nata, we fry it. We put the nata in the pot and take out the seed, and when it turn red, we put the fish in it and we fry. The fish red and pretty. Yeah, so we have that. We fry those and eat it. And we have the jackfruit now. This tree, me and Buster Band consider me, you know. When we are small little boy, my grandfather dead when we were a school boy. We grandfather did. And one man come there and pick, when we were little boy, man pick jackfruit off of it and eat it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Pick jackfruit, man, and eat. And we have it and it did it till now. Man, it's a blessed place, man. And the pineapple, we used to have the pineapple all around. All around, everywhere you turn, you have pine. And some people used to come here, some people from St. James. One name, what them revival people them. They come here come buy pine. Them peel pine and eat. And them we used to have some common fall. At that we never used to have them fall every in a couple days. We have one girl come here, one girl and live down here. And he named Ella. He come from out there, so I live out there in barn. And him never have none of the new chicken. And him a keep one birthday party and he roast one fowl. And him have to run away. They call him roast fowl. They give him roast fowl. And he have to take bush. Yeah, man. And he have to go here town, man. So we have all them they drop there. And we used to have one pine named Ripley. This is a different type of pine.
Pine, okay. So what up the pine on top of the pine?
This is a sugar loaf. Sugar loaf this. So we never used to have these pine in those days. We always have the cowboys. But the cowboy always sweet. And we have one named Ripley. It's sweet, you can't manage, man. We used to have it. And this is a new variety of pine. New variety, called it sugar loaf. Yes, man,
this one.
This is cowboys.
Cowboy.
This one named the cowboy. Yeah, we used to have it cowboy this. And we have the Ripley.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, man. And yes, that's why I tell you say good for sugar. It's stony. Yeah, man. You have a power in it. One time, you know, me, when me a young man, and me juice out here and throw in one bottle and put it at fireside and make vinegar. We take it make vinegar. And when you go there, we hear, boy! he burst the bottle. He acid when I burst the bottle. Yes, man, and you smell the whole place. Smell of pepper and it smells sweet. Yeah, man. It's a cowboy. And we have the Ripley now. And we have the Ripley. And we have the sugar pine too. One long and pretty. We have, me used to have the all night label. So we have here, and
Very nice.
and that time my grandfather now we used to plant one something named cassava. Cassava and sitting. And we auntie used to send the mouth organ, but there's just no type of mouth organ like this. So we used to blow it. You know, we are blowing boom, 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 like, but now we blow a tune, we blow for church, all around, we blow all about. And this man now play the drum, and we blow the You know, I am coming from the river, I am coming from the fountain.
Sing now, sing for us, sing for us. Sing and blow.
So we sing like I am coming from the river, I am coming from the fountain, I am coming from the healing stream. That we blow like, you know. And we
Sing, man. I like it.
Sing.
you play it, man. Ever you need the Lord before you, sure you need him now. Sure you need him now. Oh, sure you need him now.
Nice.
Good.
We boil it with another one, you know, and it's good for you inside. You know, it clean you out, you know, or if you have cold, yeah, man, this is good for you. If you have cold, and we have another one now. We call it oh God, the something we call it and we put it with this now and boil it, and it's good like any doctor medicine. These are the herb of the earth. It's good like any doctor medicine. It clean you out. You know, if you have cold or you have, you know, sourness inside, you drink this for it. Sourness, and it clean you out and make you have your urine white and pretty.
Good blood.
Good blood. Yeah.
You know
And
the other one you're talking about?
the other one, I soon tell you about the other one, man. Oh,
So can you-
chicken weed.
Chicken weed.
Chicken weed.
Okay.
We have one named chicken weed. You can put it with this.
And even if it dry,
Yeah,
can you
oh,
use it?
yes, man. This can, when it dry, even better. It is better when it dry. You know, because
They would drink like a herb stuff. It's
Yeah.
better to dry first.
anything I drink like a herb stuff. So we put the chicken weed with this. You know? And we have one again named the another one. What's the other one named, man? We have up a hill. Yeah. We have another one up on the hill where we put with this and boil it. And if you boil it, three of them, you can put it down in a vial or in a bottle, and it stays there for months. Yeah, man. And you
And
have
put
it.
in the refrigerator.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Put in your refrigerator and I bottom of it. And you have that now. Then anytime you want a drink, or if you feel your belly hurt you or anything, you just throw out a little amount of it and drink it, and you have to stop. Stop your belly from hurt. And it, yeah. Put it, buckle it. Oh, yes, you can last for a long time. Long time. When you have any hurt belly. or
And
anything.
deworm as well too, you know. So if you use it, if you have worm inside.
Yes, man. Yeah. And we have one named Pink. That is for worm. Any little picnic have worm. you boil that game. Name pink.
You boil the pink with the Cersei.
Yes, you can boil it.
You can boil the pink or you can boil the chicken weed.
Yes,
Okay.
with the Cersei. So you boil it. Now the pink help plenty children. Because remember say my brother always, my grandfather always boil it. My grandfather always boil it for grandchildren them. And give them and then I no worm na them pass out the worm as to when moon full. When moon full of your body, you pass out the worm. And then I no big gut again, then belly come down. And belly come down ordinary, you know. So these are very good things. Very good stuff. You can buckle it. You know, it's serve you for a long time. Not do it. Anyhow you buckle it.
So I just want to thank Ariana and Bev for visiting our pineapple farm, Brissett Pineapple Farm. I'm so happy to have you guys come a second time for part 2. And it was fun. You know, we had a lot of laugh. Yeah. We even fell down. And then you will see that in the video. Yeah. So please like and subscribe to Ariana and Bev video that will be coming soon, part 2. Thank you guys so much. And call Tomalo. Ariana will put his number listed on the YouTube channel, so you will see his video. So please like and subscribe this video, and please.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. And I hope we'll get a lot of likes for this video.
Bye.
Thank you, Uncle.
Yeah, well, it was nice, you know.
All right.